Life is too short. They say YOLO or you only live once. But YOLO means for me is you only love once. Love your family, friends, and especially yourself. And now, I am celebrating a decade and eighth of my journey.
Sit still.